Price of a miracle. This 8-year-old girl who heard her mother and dad talking about her little brother, Andy. All she could understand was that her brother was very sick and her parents were completely out of money. Her parents were talking about her costly surgery was, and it was looking like there was no one to loan them money. Just then she heard Dad said to her tearful mother with whispered desperation, "Only a miracle can save him now." Listening to this, Tess went to her bedroom and brought out her piggy bank from its hiding place in closet. She broke it and collected all that money. She carefully counted it. She took a small purse and placed coins in it and slipped out a back door and made her way 6 blocks to drugstore. She waited patiently for pharmacist to give her some attention, but he was too busy at this moment. She made some noise with her feet to grab attention, but nothing. Then she cleared her throat with most disgusting sound she could muster, but still no good. Finally, she took a quarter from her pocket and banged it on glass counter. That did it. She got pharmacist's attention. Pharmacist asked in annoyed tone of voice, "And what do you want?" Without waiting for reply to his question, he said, "I'm busy. I'm talking to my brother who I haven't seen in ages." Tess answered back, "Well, I want to talk to you about my brother. He's really sick and I want to buy a miracle." "I beg your pardon," said pharmacist. Tess said, "His name is Andy and he has something bad growing inside his head. And my dad says only a miracle can save him now. So how much does a miracle cost?" "We don't sell miracle here, little girl. I am sorry, but I can't help you," said pharmacist in softening a little. Tess replied, "I have money to pay for it. If it is not enough, I will get the rest. Just tell me how much it cost." Pharmacist's brother, who was standing there seeing all this, he stopped down and asked little girl, "What kind of miracle does your brother need?" "I don't know," Tess replied with tears in her eyes. "I don't know. I just know that he is really sick and my mommy said that he needs an operation. But my dad can't pay for it. So I want to use my money." "How much do you have?" he asked. Tess answered, $1.11. "It's all I have, but I can get some more if I need to." He smiled and said, "Well, what a coincidence. $1.11 is exact price of a miracle for little brother." Then he took her money in one hand and with other hand he grasped her mitten and said, "Take me to where you live. I want to see your brother and meet your parents. Let's see if I have the kind of miracle you need." That man, pharmacist's brother, was doctor, a surgeon specializing in neurosurgery. Little girl brother operation was completed without any charge, and it was not long until Andy was home again and doing well. Tess' mom and dad were happily talking about chain of events that took place. Her mom whispered that surgery. I wondered how much it would have cost. That surgery was a real miracle. Tess smiled. She knew exactly how much a miracle cost. $1.11 plus faith of a little child. Moral of the story: your faith, your love, your truth is 100 times more powerful than doubt. Have faith in yourself. Be kind hearted. It helps. Thank you.